Dynamic configuration of a host is usually what you want to have happen in a desktop environment, when the host needs to be connected to the network, but doesn't need to have a specific address. We can tell our connection to request address information from a DHCP server by adding just one line to the interface configuration file. Before we start setting things up manually, let's make sure Network Manager isn't active. If you're on an older system that doesn't have Network Manager installed, don't worry about this step. But otherwise, let's stop the service. I'll write sudo systemctl stop network manager. And then I'll disable it with sudo systemctl disable network manager. Then for good measure, let's reboot the system. As of CentOS 7, there's still a process that gets left running that could cause us trouble later on. And we're back. Now we can go about making sure our Ethernet connection gets set up for DHCP in a manual way. Let's do that with sudo vi etc sysconfig network scripts ifcfg enp0s3. That line we need to add or change is bootproto equals DHCP, as we see here. But you want to make sure there's no other address information specified in the file either, or you'll start up the adapter with both the predefined and automatic addressing information, and that'll bring up two addresses on the adapter. So be sure to delete IPaddr, prefix, and gateway entries if you see them here. I'll save the file and restart my network daemon with sudo systemctl restart network. And now if I take a look at my network information with IPA, I can see on my Ethernet adapter, I've got an IP address that was dynamically assigned. That's pretty much it for configuring a connection to get a dynamic address.